We've got 30 seconds. Are we ready to do the countdown? We're going to count from 10 to 1, and then Marley's going to do a nice big knock on the door. Okay, you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For you Latin fanatics, you sir, I saw you. And they're 6 foot tall. Well, this one's got a way to go. He's only a hatchling. He hasn't matured yet. And they've got lovely plumage. And their names are, well, this is Fred, and this is, well, this is Fred, and this is Fifi. Okay, I've seemed to have forgotten it. Can anyone shout some names out for me? Help me. Bob? Yeah. Okay, it's a girl, but we'll try it. Bob. No, she hates that. Another one, please.
Esmeralda.
Esmeralda. She hates that. That was awful. Oh my goodness. Another one. Daisy. No, she hates that one as well. Someone else, please. Anyone? Phoebe. Chloe? Chloe! Yes, she loves that one. I knew that the reason you came here. Thank you so much for coming. And these are the Lyma birds. Now, there's 3 things that you need to know about Lyma birds. One is they love to eat green leaves. But I've got a special treat for them. I've got a branch from a Christmas tree because in Peru, where they're from, well, the Amazonian rainforest to be specific, they don't grow Christmas trees. So I've got a branch for them. Let me get it out of here for you. Will you pack it in? Okay. I seem to have forgotten it. Okay, something green. You, sir, with that green hat on. Can I borrow it? Thank you very much. Okay, who wants to volunteer to feed the birds? You there, please come forward. Okay, so what you do, stand very still, turn around so everyone can see you. Okay, hold the hat up high, really up high. Hold it straight up high. And turn around towards the audience. That way, okay, and stay, and you two, back away. Okay, stand very still. Don't move a muscle. Let the Lyma birds come to you. So isn't this amazing to watch the Lyma birds feed? They eat 6 tons of these green birds back in the rainforest. And actually it really helps their digestion. And what are you doing? Get off, we could get sued for that. Back off. Are you okay? Okay, good. He said he's fine. That means he can't sue us. Okay, thank you very much. What's your name? Samuel, a round of applause for Samuel, please. Thank you very much, Samuel. And thank you for your hat. Thank you. Now, number 2 you need to know about Lyma birds is that they're very intelligent. And I've created a sophisticated communication system that will demonstrate for you now. Okay. Chloe. Fred. Okay, stay there. Good boy, good girl. Right, I'm just going to show you. Can you stop? It's very sophisticated. Ready? What we practice today. Oh, I did something wrong. It must be me. I'll do it again, okay? Just as we practiced this morning, okay? reminds me, back in Peru, we haven't even mentioned Christmas yet. Well, Christmas in Peru is very interesting. When they exchange gifts, before they can even rip into the presents, they've got to hug each other, kiss each other on the cheek, and say, gracias! So I'll just demonstrate it for you. So I've got a lovely box of worms here. And let me just hug you first. And then kiss the cheek. No. Stop. And gracias! What are you doing? Right, the imaginary box of worms is going in the bin now because you've been naughty. That's right. Oh, come on now. So for Christmas in Peru, it's Feliz Navidad. And they open their presents on Christmas Eve, which is actually Buena Noche, which actually means good night. And when they exchange all their presents, they transform the living rooms and the dining rooms into massive dance floors, and they party. Now, what are you doing? Just stay here. Can't harm anyone. Just stay safe. Come on, this is an important presentation, and you're ruining it for me. Calm down. And then they party the night away into the early mornings of Christmas Day, and then on Christmas Day, well, all the children play with the toys left over, just like the Lyma birds do, and all the parents do the hangover of Boxing Day, just like the Lyma birds do, and everyone eats the leftover turkey on Boxing Day, just like these. That's a bit awkward, actually. Anyway, we haven't even mentioned Father Christmas yet, or Papa Noel for the Lyma birds. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have said that. No, he's not here. He's not here, is he yet, Father Christmas? Is he here? No, okay. Calm down. He's not here yet. Goodness sake. And thirdly, the most interesting fact about the Lyma bird is that back in the Peruvian rainforest, they don't actually sleep. Well, no one's actually ever seen them sleep before. I mean, my studies say that they sleep for 5 minutes, but the locals call them the lively bird. I mean, I think that's a bit ridiculous. Fred? Chloe? What are you doing? You're not sleeping in my very important presentation, are you? Okay. There's a lot of people here. I know. I'll teach you how to greet a Lyma bird. If you ever meet another one in a local high street just like this one, you'll know exactly what to do. Okay, everyone, can you have your feet together and hands beside your side, please? Hands beside your side, lovely. And when you see a Lyma bird, hatchling or mother bird, you have to wobble at them like this. Wobble. Very good wobbling here. I'm going to inspect the wobblings. Wobble, man. Wobble. Very good wobbling with the bobble hat there, sir. Well done. Oh, fantastic wobbling here. Could wobble better, sir. Could wobble better. Okay, I think everyone's very good at wobbling. And then when the Lyma bird wobbles back at you and bows, you bow back, and then we're all friends. Okay, I think it's time to wake these guys up. Now, what can we do to wake them up? I know, let's trick them. Let's shout out, Papa Noel is here at them, okay? Can you all do that for me?
Yeah.
Come on, you didn't sound very excited about that.
Yeah.
That's better. Okay, after 3, I want everyone to shout out, Papa Noel is here. 1, 2, 3. Papa Noel is here! Okay, maybe we're a bit quiet that time. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Papa Noel is here! That woke you up, didn't it? Oh, where is he? He's not here. He's not here. Oh, I'm only joking. Anyway, that's why I've set up Save the Lyma Bird Initiative. Because back where they're from, their forest is actually being chopped down and cut down, and they're being poached for their lovely feathers. Oh, that's right. And in my studies, they've decreased to only 12 Lyma birds, and Fred and Chloe are 2 of them left. Oh, I know. They're being poached for their lovely feathers for, well, feather boas, and feather dusters, and feather mattresses, and feather cushions, and feather pillows, and feather cars, and feather windows, and then a helicopter, and then a wing, and then a... Oh, thank you. I mean, well, they got a nap earlier. I mean, why can't I get a nap in a very important presentation? So that's why I'm here, for Save the Lyma Birds. And I've brought Fred and Chloe here today to have some R&R fun to enjoy Christmas at winter time. Because actually in Peru, it's summer. And tomorrow, the 21st, it's going to be the first day of summer there. So they're used to sand, sea, sun, but they've never seen snow before. So I'm really hoping it's going to snow this year. Do you think it will? No, not.
It doesn't look good enough.
It doesn't look good enough. Is that a scientific answer?
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, I'll put that in my studies. Thank you, miss. So that I want them to see snow, and do you know what? Lyma birds have never sung a carol before. Shall we sing one now?
No.
Another no from this little miss here. Why no?
Because they can't sing properly.
We can't sing properly. The Lyma birds can't sing. Do you believe that Lyma birds can't sing? I think they can.
I'm talking about the people.
Oh my goodness, she's speaking for all of you. You can't sing. So you all can't sing then. Folkestone can't sing, can it? So I'll never see Folkestone on the X Factor, will I? No? Well, someone shout out to Carol. Come on, let's prove her wrong. What carol should we sing? Jingle bells? Jingle rock? Jingle bells? Or jingle all the way? Jingle all the way. Okay, let's start us off. 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow, you know, not take the way. Oh, then we go, laughing all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Do come forward, have your photo taken, and we've got some presents here for the little ones.
Anyway, I think it's time to say a big thank you for everyone coming out to see the Lyma birds. I hope you've had fun. And a thank you from us is please